The world is changing faster than ever. Industries, cities, and people demand more. More speed, more capacity, more reliability. But traditional wireless networks are struggling to keep up. Critical industries face barriers with legacy solutions. Public cellular networks are under pressure to deliver more with less. At Airspan, we don't just respond to these challenges. We redefine them. As a US-based provider and pioneer of Open RAN, we deliver innovative 5G end-to-end solutions that transform wireless connectivity, with advanced AI-powered applications to optimize and automate network performance. From public networks to private cellular networks and air-to-ground systems, our scalable platforms break barriers, enabling networks to evolve with your needs. The result? Seamless 5G connectivity tailored to your needs. With Airspan, public networks become smarter, more cost-efficient, and future-proof. With Open RAN laying the foundation for 6G innovation, private cellular networks become more secure, reliable, and designed to solve real-world problems with plug-and-play simplicity. And air-to-ground systems evolve to support HAPS, drones, and DoD. Whether it's empowering enterprises, connecting communities, or supporting critical infrastructure, Airspan is shaping the future of how we live, work, and connect.